What are you doing? Get up there. Go ahead. Go ahead. It's windy, but it's still nice out. We're not going that way. There you go. And yeah, I'm not going wherever you're going. You're a goober. Where are you going? It's deep, Astro. Are you coming? Come on. Let's go. It's deep for puppies. Huffing and puffing. Get up there, Gunner. Gunner, get up there. Go ahead. Get up there. Good boy. Get going. Come on, Gunner. Let's go. They must have already gone to bed. Yeah, you watch the snow falling off the roof right there. Watch out. I'm going to get the eggs. Oh, hello, gray one. How many eggs? Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Because it's hard to get back here. Two eggs. Hey, Gunner. I'm coming. Are we all done our walk and chicken tending? Okay, so wait a second. There's two out, but the door's shut. Come on, chickens. Come on, ladies. Did they stay out all night? Probably a good chance that that's true. Or, there they all are. Did the wind get you guys locked in? Huh? Hey, ladies, where's Armin? Oh, you're down there. Hi, Armin. Did the door lock you in? Okay. See you later. There, the door's fixed. So you guys can go get in there now.